Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how you can password protect any Microsoft Office Word documents in your Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open the Microsoft Word software in your Windows computer. So first what you need to do is you need to create one Microsoft Word document files. So let me create it. So once you have created, so what you need to do is you can see here button, just click on it and click on save. Now just rename the file name. You can rename or give any name depending upon your needs. So below you can see here tools written, just click on it, and below it you can see general options, just click on it. So here you can see two boxes. One is password to open and one is password to modify, and below it you can see a read only recommended. So here we'll be putting just a password to open. So put the password. So once you're done, click OK. Now retype the password. Once you are done, click OK. Now click save. So what you need to do now is just close this Microsoft Word Office software, and we'll go to that folder where the Microsoft Word file has been saved. So we'll try to open. So you can see here the password, it's asking for a password, so we'll just type the password again and click OK. So here you can view the password protected file. So in my opinion, you should definitely try these cool features which is they're available in the Microsoft Word itself. So in this way you can easily password protect any Microsoft Word document files in your Windows computer. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.